to rock a chainsaw. Very dangerous road. Dangerous road. So we have to be skilled to do that. On a high tree. Wow. Culture, country lifestyle. So crazy skilled work. Welcome to my channel. This is not an easy task. You have to be careful on this. Whoa. Shut off. Big up every Jamaican work hard. Big up every African, every Americans. Africans. Oh, that one dropped a while ago. See that? This, you have to have your brain and your head to do this. It's not an easy job. Ghanaians, big up on yourself, everybody over there in Africa, Ghana, South Africa, Zambia, all the other countries in Africa, Jamaica, USA, Canada, UK. A very dangerous job. To be careful up there, that is not an easy thing to cut it from that high tree. I do not want it to snap and catch him. Please continue to watch this episode here. That's good. Pick up every tree cutter in the world. All them people who know about cutting of trees. Welcome to my channel wherever you're viewing from. I appreciate if you could give this video a thumbs up, and you can make comment on the video. Also subscribe if you are new, or if you have not already subscribed. Ghanaians, I don't know if people in Ghana can do this. Ghana, the Ghanaians, no, they do a lot of this in America. Great job. Very great work. Congratulations. Just have to be careful to wow. That's a real good job. Well done. Thanks everyone for watching. Please give him a big up, man. See, look. Let's see what he's up to again. Hold on. What a good job. Great work. Thanks everyone for watching. Always this is drama. I'm studying something again. Whoa.